Are you wondering why Bitcoin is dumping so hard to the downside for the past 2 to 3 days? I got a very important news for you right here. Massive 200,000 Bitcoin dump expected in the next 60 days. Okay, this is an update from GOTS, and this is a very important update right now. And this kind of news should create a panic in the market and make the market to dump aggressively, just like we are seeing. And also, when are we going to expect that very aggressive bullish market in this very bull market? I'm going to talk about this in this very video, so watch the video to the very end. Let's dive right into the details. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about cryptocurrency, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. This kind of news should create panic in the market. Remember, you buy the rumor and you say the news. Now, this is just a rumor at the moment. It has not happened yet, but the impact is very, very significant on the market. As you can see right here, market is dumping to the downside with this bearish momentum, and I told you about this very level of $56,000, and that market have the capacity of coming into this area to retest this level before it moves to the upside. This very rumor is important, okay? So you don't neglect the rumor. Like the common saying in the market, you buy the rumor and you sell the news. So this is a rumor for now. If you read this very part of this very story, this is very important. 142,000 Bitcoin to 200,000 Bitcoin will be dumped, expected in the next 60 days because of lack of consensus among sources, has prompted increased scrutiny within the crypto community. So this is very important right now. This is a rumor. Remember, it has not happened yet, but the possibility of this happening is there. And if it happened, definitely market is going to dump to the downside. But that does not bring an end to the crypto market. That does not bring an end to Bitcoin. Market is still going to move to the upside, and we have not entered the heat of the bull market yet, which I'm going to talk about in a minute. So watch this video to the very end. So if you look at it, if this happen, okay, we are going to see a dump in the market, and we are going to see the market come into this very area, which is a possibility. I was looking at this very area of 52 and $50,000 from this very level where the market moved from in the past. Okay, so if we break this level of support where market is approaching right now at this point of $56,000, then the next level we should expect the market to come into is this very area of 52 and $50,000 right at this very point. So pay attention to this very area on the chart where market is approaching the $56,000. A breakout on this very zone will send the market into this very area of important support before we begin to see the market begin to find its way back to the upside, especially if this rumor comes out to be true. That is, if actually this 142,000 Bitcoin to 200,000 Bitcoin is being dumped into the market. So this is a very important and emanating rumor right now, which we should pay attention to as crypto traders and as investors, okay, so that we better position ourselves very, very well. So I always advise, when you are buying any crypto or meme token, you do your dollar cost averaging the way it fits into your investment portfolio. So you buy according to the chunk as the market begin to move to the downside. If you take a look at the RSI right here, the RSI come out of this very level of oversold condition and move a little bit upward. That was when we see this very movement to the upside and then come back right down. If you look at it, the RSI is coming into the oversold condition again, which will be a nice place to begin to look for markets begin to move upward from. Okay, so let's allow the RSI to enter into this very area of oversold condition and come out of it. Then we're going to be looking for buy opportunity to the upside for a very long position on Bitcoin. So right now, let's focus on the market testing this very level of $56,000 first, which is a very near possibility right now. And if market break here, we're going to see the market come into this level of 52 and $50,000 in the next weeks. Okay, if you look at the Bitcoin dominant chart and you look at the past history of what market have done in the past bull market, this is the 2017 bull market right here. Market move all the way from this area to the downside, and then we have this very bear market at this very point. So this is the 2017 bull market, and this is the bear market in 2018 2019, and right here is the 2021 bull market as well, and this is the 2023 bear market, as you can see right at this point. Now from this very chart, it tells us a possible scenario of when the bull market is going to be in the heat. Okay, we are already in the bull market already, but when this major move is going to come into the market is very important, because that is when we're going to see this bearish candle to the downside in the heat of the bull market. So what this chart means is that if this chart is moving downward, it means that money is flowing from Bitcoin into other altcoin, which will make altcoins to pump very hard to the upside. So I am expecting something very significant right here. If you look at what the market did in the past, so in 2017, market dump all the way right down. That means money moved from Bitcoin into altcoin and caused the market to skyrocket hard. And you see this very movement to the downside. This was the 2017 bull market. And if you take your Fibonacci retracement tool from this very area where the market starts moving to the downside from to this very point, you discover that after that very movement, that very bull market in 2017, the market began to retrace back to the upside, which caused the bear market right at this very point into this very level of 0.618 of the Fibonacci. This is very important, and the market come back down a little bit, move upward, test the same point at this very area, and we see the 2021 bull market. So from this very area, market come back to the downside, and this is very important right now. So from here, market drop right down again. Remember, the retracement was at 0.618. okay, now if you look at what this market is doing right now, from this very area, if you take the same Fibonacci 2, which is the Fibonacci retracement from this very point of the 2021 bull market to this very area where the bear market started in 2023, and then if you look at it, market is at this very point of 0.5, okay, which is 0.50 and 0.618 level. So within this zone is where I am expecting this move to end before that very aggressive pump is going to come in this very bull market. So where you should be paying attention to is this very area where the market is right now. So within this very area and where the market is right now is the zone I am personally expecting the market to stay for some time, just like we are seeing right now. Then we're going to see the market begin to move to the downside once market come out of this very zone. Now, to be very practical, what you should be expecting right here is when the market begin to move downward with aggressive bearish candle, and then we cross this very level of 51, okay, so between 51% and 50% right here, that is when I am expecting that aggressive move to come into the market. That means we're going to see a aggressive bearish candle that go below the 51 and 50% of the Bitcoin dominant chart. So once we see that aggressive bearish candle, just know that that very aggressive pump is in the market, and market is going to go down aggressively like that to the downside, and this is what we call the bull cycle. Okay, so we are already in it right now, but I'm talking about when that aggressive pump is going to come into the market. It's only when we see this kind of movement below the 51 and 50% level on the Bitcoin dominant chart. So this is what you need to watch out for right now to know exactly when that aggressive pump is going to come into the market. What this means is that market can still move upward a little bit, okay, into this very area, but I am expecting it to stay within this very zone of 59 and this very zone of 53%. This is very important. And once we go below the 50 and 51%, then that means with aggressive bearish candle, market is going to move right down for that very aggressive pump to come into the market on the Bitcoin chart and in the overall crypto market in general, just like we've seen in the past right here in 2021 right to the downside, and also in 2017 from this very area right to the downside. And the one more thing you also have to pay attention to on this very chart is from the RSI. So if you look at the RSI indicator from here, we see the market coming into this very point in August 2019 and this very area in December 2020, and market move a little bit downward in 2021. So this very point, if you look at it very well, is the same exact point where the market is right now. So from here, this is where the market is right now, okay, creating this consolidation on the RSI. So what this means is that once the market begin to move downward, we are going to see that aggressive pump in the market, and it have to cross below 51 and 50% on the Bitcoin dominance chart. This is what I am personally expecting, and that is why you need to pay attention to this very analysis to know exactly when the market is going to pump to the upside on Bitcoin. So market also have the possibility of moving upward a little bit on the RSI, just like I talk about on this very zone on the Bitcoin dominance chart. So this is what you need to expect right now, guys, to know exactly when the market is going to pump in the next few months from now or early 2025. And the most important thing in this very video is about this very rumor. If this happen, then we're going to see Bitcoin dump more into this very area and into the $52,000 and $50,000 level. Pay attention to this and align it with your trading methodology and investing strategy. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.